It is permissible to run low-voltage circuits, such as a 24-volt direct current circuit, in the same conduit as high-voltage circuits, such as 480-volt power, but there are specific requirements that must be met. Firstly, conduit size. The conduit must be large enough to accommodate both the 480-volt power cables and the number 14 THHN cables without overcrowding. Secondly, cable separation. 480-volt power cables and the number 14 THHN cables must be separated by at least 6 inches within the conduit. This can be achieved by using cable spacers or dividers. Thirdly, conduit material. The conduit must be made of a material that is suitable for both the 480-volt power and the 24-volt direct current circuit. Polyvinyl chloride conduit is commonly used in this application. Verify that the number 14 THHN cables are rated for the voltage and current requirements of the 24-volt direct current circuit. Follow all applicable National Electrical Code requirements for the installation of both the 480-volt power circuit and the 24-volt direct current circuit. Obtain any necessary permits or inspections required by your local authorities. The National Electrical Code, also known as NEC TIR 942, which is the Telecommunications Infrastructure Standard for data centers, and NFPA 75, which is the standard for the protection of information technology equipment, are places to find more information. It is always advisable to consult with a qualified electrician or engineer to ensure that the installation meets all applicable codes and standards.